Alright, man, let's see what this bitch talking about.
Just kidding, brother. I am white. First white man to do a POV drive in the Scatpack.
Brother,
So I made a YouTube short asking if I should do another POV drive in the Scatpack, and some of you guys were like, yeah, and then some of you guys were like, oh no, this car is too played out. I mean, it's all over the internet, and you know what? That's pretty true. But how many of you guys seen a white man in this car? I appreciate a lot of you guys in that comment section, even though that some of you were actually hating. I'm like, yo, but you haven't seen a white man do a POV, and I got some pretty good responses out of that. I appreciate the sense of humor. I love all people, but I needed to get the talking out of the way first, because you won't be able to hear me when I do this. So I like to let the car warm up and just drive around in eco mode. So I'm gonna get going now, but I'm gonna get back at you guys when I could do a little pull for you, maybe a couple of downshifts. Traffic is pretty heavy right now, so we're not gonna go too crazy, but that tunnel over there, I always do a pull into that tunnel. It sounds crazy. Sunroof open, put it in track. Audi behind me. Look at this Audi for you real quick. Oh, I think it's beautiful. RS6, I think. Can't really hear it, but it's okay. Though this thing does sound pretty crazy. You could even hear the intake. There goes my boy Michael over there with his dog. Hey!
So dumb. Hi there.
Hello there. Okay, this is the boy Michael. By the way, I'm doing a POV drive and like whatever.
Hell yeah.
There's a wild animal over there. It's kind of funny. What is that? Hey, you! Yo, it's the puppy. I love dogs. Alright, so I got my friend Michael to record me doing like a little launch / pull right over there. Get another startup. yeah, that was really fun. So I gotta show you guys what that's like from my point of view. Of course, we're in track mode, so we're gonna wait for traffic to die down, be respectful. Here we go. Downshift. All right, now we gotta slow down. Here comes a turn. Remember, follow all laws. Please, guys, do not get in trouble. I do not condone any of that. What are you guys doing in here, dude? Dude, you're gonna get me copyright striked. That's happened way too many times in this channel. When I was a kid, I was making a lot of gaming videos. Don't do that, okay? I'm trying to jam out. But on a serious note, I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Just like 6 months ago, I was almost at 300 subs, but I literally just hit 400 subs today. So thank you to all who actually support this channel. And if you have aspirations to get your dream car, or you just really want a car, please be patient. Don't let anything disrupt that patience. Focus on God, focus on yourself, and you'll get there eventually. I'll see you guys later. One more thing. If you guys want to see the bonus clip, then go right ahead. I saw a C7, yeah, it was a C7 Z06. It had a camshaft. It was really cool. I think it was a manual, but we were just playing around. He was having fun, I was having fun. Done in Mexico, by the way. So yeah, I'm back from Mexico already. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry about the format. I'm gonna post it on YouTube Shorts, so I wanted to be prepared for that. So I recorded this way instead of this way, and I didn't have my tripod with me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.